Normally, the people tend to underestimate them and we never realized the things which we have learned already and their importance. Over the past few years, I have attended multiple training sessions, I have given the training and I have listened to thousands of health and safety professionals. Over these years and the multiple discussions, one of the common things that I have found is most of the HSE professionals, they know a lot compared to what they think they actually know. So, I decided to create the video specially for health and safety professionals who had the doubt whether they are safety expert or not. So, in this video, I'm gonna explain the 9 signs that shows that you are going to be a safety expert in the future. So, watch the video till the end. The first quality of the safety expert or the first sign of safety expert is they will never complain. The real health and safety professionals, the real safety experts will never complain their company, will never complain their situation or will never complain the provisions given by the company. Instead, what they will do, they will always focus on achieving the zero harm. They always try to change the strategies based on the resources that they have in the mind. They do every action with the full trust on them. The second quality of the safety expert is they do make initiation in their own field. They love initiating new things. They love devising the new strategies. If you are a person wish to initiate the things into safety without any fear, and if you are into HSE profession, then no doubt you are meant to be a safety expert. Succeeding in health and safety will require the huge amount of leadership skills and expertise in the field to assist and safeguard others. The third sign of safety expert is they are always hungrier. If you feel you never overfill and you are reading everything that you found related to health and safety in the Google, in the Facebook, in the LinkedIn, if you read everything, either by now or in a year, you will know the most of the information, more than 60% of the information what actually the normal average professionals will know in the field. So the safety experts are hungrier. They read everything related to health and safety. They continuously upgrade them irrespective of their situation. Either in social media or in the study hours or through any courses. They continuously learn, continuously enhance their competence. That is a third skill or that is a third sign that you are going to be a safety expert. The fourth sign that I believe the safety experts will have is they do have more credentials. The successful people in any field, they are more curious to learn the new things and they are more curious to update themselves in the field they are into. Even I have experienced the professionals, they are taking courses and they are appearing for exams even after they are 60. So, the safety experts will never shout that they are expert, but instead what they will do, they will take continuously the new qualification that comes into market, they will learn and they will prove their competence. You can see many professionals in the LinkedIn who continuously they mean to take new courses, which is continuously a challenging task. Like NIBOS diploma, like CSP, Certified Safety Professionals, the safety experts are crazed on taking competency-based examinations and they will prove their competence every time. The fifth quality or the fifth sign that I believe the safety expert will have is they do demonstrate their competence. The safety experts will never hide their expertise and they will never wait for a time to prove their competence. Also, they will never read and leave the things as it is. Instead, they will implement all the things which they have learned in the workplace based on the real-time issues. They will create the new control measure. They will create the change in the field. If you are more curious about initiating new strategies in your company, then of course you are meant to be a safety expert. The sixth quality or the sixth sign that I believe the safety experts will have is they love criticism. Being into HSE field, from safety officers to safety managers, everyone has to come up with thousands of criticism every day. Even you may experience from your subordinates or from your workers. The real safety experts know the criticism or one of the way of communicating the complaints. So what the real safety experts will do, they take the criticism in a positive way and they will collect it, they will analyze it, they will find whether the criticism have any value. If it has the value, based on the criticism, they will make the change. They will never get hurt by the criticism and they will never take it personally. Instead, they will analyze, they will change and they will rise up. The seventh sign of the great safety expert that I believe is they will never trust on the PPE. The real safety experts will know the personal protective equipments are the least control measure in the health and safety field. Also, they do have huge number of limitation compared to any other control measures which we are taking in health and safety field. So what the real safety experts will do, they always list personal protective equipment as the last control measure and they will always try to eliminate the hazards in their workplace, or at least they will give more importance to engineering controls. They will never give huge preference to personal protective equipment. They will only use the personal protective equipment as the last control measure on the time when no other controls will work. The eighth quality of the safety experts is they believe the workers are the real king. Till the shop floor employees realize the importance of safety, the safety will never get implemented and you cannot achieve the zero harm in your workplace. The real safety experts will understand workers are the king and they will devise more strategy to influence their workers. They will never show authority among the workers. Instead, they will create a change. They will devise the strategy to change the behavior. They will educate the worker on the importance of safety and they will never only focusing on punishing the workers. They understood the workers are the key to implement effective and successful health and safety management system in any workplace. So, in the video, I am listing us the last quality which the safety experts will have is they are more passionate. The passionate people will love their field and they do everything only for their internal satisfaction, not for money or not for the provisions given by the company. If you do the same, you may probably guess who you are. So, we are in the last part of this video now. There are plenty of quality that every safety expert should have in themselves. If you are a person wanted to make a change, leave in the comment what quality the safety expert should have. If you like this video, share with your friends. Also, subscribe the channel for regular video updates. Thank you.